Welcome to our educational channel from class 10th Mathematics ICSE semester 1. Let us see one more test paper. It's the third one. Here we have the section 1 or section A. 16 marks. Each question carries 1 mark in each. So not only the model papers, chapter wise material. So chapter wise MCQs covering all the concepts in every chapter. So links I am providing in description below. You just to click on that and find the PDF file. You can learn from that also. Okay, now let us see this model paper now. All the questions we need to solve. Most of the questions in this section A we can do directly, no need of any calculations also. Right? Okay, first one, the transpose of diagonal matrix A. So diagonal matrix is nothing but always is a square matrix. So rows and columns. So diagonal matrix is, for example, 2 0 0 2. It's a diagonal matrix. The transpose also will get same. So 2 0 0 2, if you take transpose, same as it is will get. So transpose of any diagonal matrix, not only 2 by 2, 3 by 3 order is also get same. And next one, which of the following is not subsumed under GST? Here is service tax, property tax, excise duty, state VAT. In this, property tax is not categorized under GST. So along with the property tax, we have a stamp duty, okay, custom duty, those all, and petrol, diesel, natural gas. These all are not under GST. Service tax, excise duty, state VAT is under GST. No, so in these four options, property tax is not subsumed under GST. Right. Along with this, the stamp duty also is there. It's not under GST. Custom duty, petrol, diesel, natural gas. These all categories not under GST. Okay, so they may ask question like this. One more, next one. In triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, ABC is similar to DEF such that AB is 9.1, DE is 6.5. If the perimeter of DEF is 25, then perimeter of the ABC. So here is ratio of their perimeters is equals to ratio of the corresponding sides. If it is a perimeter, so same concept will apply. From first triangle ABC, one of the side is 9.1. So 9.1 divided by, and from DEF, DE, okay, 6.5 is equals to perimeter of DEF is given, second one. So perimeter of DEF is 25, perimeter of triangle ABC, first one, no? So let be X. So let the perimeter be X. Just do the cross multiplication, you'll get answer this. 9.1 by 6.5. So 91 by 65. X by 25. 91 and 65 is in 13 table. 13 5s are 7s. 7 by 5 is equal to X by 25. Again 5 1s are 5 5s are cross multiply. Cancel like this. X is equals to 35 crossway. So 35 centimeters. So it is A. Right. That means perimeter ratio of the any two triangles perimeters, if ratio is exactly equals to square same ratio of the corresponding sides. Area means ratio of the areas of two triangles is squares of the corresponding sides, but perimeters and ratio of the sides are same. Next one, if P is to Q is equal to 3 is to 2, Q is to R 3 is to 4, then P is to R. So is Q is the same, right? So Q value in this 2, here is a Q value is 3, not same. For 2 and 3 LCM is 6. So you multiply this first one to make it as 6, multiply with 3 and 3 same. This is multiply with 2 and 2. Now 2 3 is a 6, 3 2 is a 6, same it is Q value. Now this is 9 is to 6 and it is the 6 is to 8. 6 is to 8. So 9 is to 8 is the P and R. P to R is asked ratio. So 9 is to first one and this is the last one. 9 6 6 8, no, so 9 is to 8. So option A. Just to make it which is the variable is same, that we can make it as equal. Right, and fifth one is the problem. This is Bailey deposits 3,000 per month in a recurring deposit account for 3 years. at 4% per annum as interest. Find the maturity value. So before that we need to now find the interest. So if you know the formula, I is equals to, let me write here, P into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into R by 100. This is to find out the interest. Interest we'll find out first. So is the monthly depositing. As per the question, 3000 and number of years is 3, right? Yeah. 3000 per month and for 3 years. So 36 months into 37 by 2 because n into n plus 1 into 1 by 12 into R by 100. R is a 4. So 4 by 100. You can simplify this one will get the interest. Okay, calculate this 130 left. 12 ones are 12, 3. Again 2 ones are 2, 2. 30 into 3 into 37 into 2. So 30 times 3 is 9. 37 into 2. So okay, everything you multiply. Again we need to, okay, this is the interest part. 6,660. Interest we got, no? Then maturity value is equals to P into N plus interest. Okay, P is the 3000 into N is number of months. 3000 into 36 plus 6,660. You can multiply and add, we'll get the maturity value. Okay, this is 108 3 zeros. So 1,08,000 plus 6,660. So total will get 1,14,660. Yes, that is option B. Yeah, here you can see option B. This is the problem. 1,14,660. We need to calculate and find out. Okay, and sixth one. If minus x is greater than or equal to 4, then x is less than or equal to minus 4. Okay, if interchange, the sign symbol must be changed. And which term of the AP is 0? That means an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into the formula. So this is an. 0 is equals to a plus a is the 21 plus n minus 1 into d. Difference is 18 minus 21. Second term minus first one. It's a minus 3. Okay, so 21 take this side. From this minus 21 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. Just cancel this. Minus 3 times 7. 7 is equal to n minus 1, then n is equals to 8. So 8th term. Just only formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Apply the formula. The next, 8th one. In triangle ABC, PQR, corresponding sides are in same ratio is given. That means AB by RQ, BC by PR, CA by BQ. So which is exist. So if you observe the letters AB, BC, CA, it's an order. All are in ABC, 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 ABC options. But second triangle. So RQ, PR, PQ. So R2Q. Okay, QR or RQ, both are same. It's matching. Next, for second last two letters BC, here last two letters RP or PR. Same, right? Same it is. And CA, first and last letter. So PQ, yes, first and last. Same letters is matching. So option A. Whenever two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in same ratio. If the corresponding sides are in same ratio, those two triangles are similar, vice versa. Only just observe the matching, that letters. So PRR, RP, both are same. Okay, RQR, QR, it is same. P to QR, Q to P, distance is same, no? So just maybe to confuse, they'll give like this. So this answer. Next one, 3x minus 1 less than or equal to x plus 5. X take LHS side, 3x minus x. So 2x less than or equals to minus 1 take right, plus 1, so 6. So when it is 2x is less than or equal to 6, x is less than or equal to 3. Okay, 2 ones are 2 3s are. Cancel this. So x is less than or equal to 3, but x belongs to whole numbers. So 3 and less. So 3, 2, 1, 0 because of whole numbers. Option B. And okay, next one. The roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 24. Finding the roots. x square minus 24, x square coefficient is 1, 1 into minus 24. Minus 24 you have to split into two parts. If you multiply minus 24, if you add middle term, minus plus 2 should get. Okay, that is, we know that 6 into 4. But we need minus 4. So 6 comma minus 4, yes. So x square plus 6x minus 4x. So 2x. 6 into minus 4 is minus 24. Take the common. X is a common. X plus 6 minus 4 is the common. X plus 6. So from this, x plus 6 into x minus 4. X plus 6 means x is equal to minus 6. X minus 4 means x is 4. Is equal to 0. No? Is equal to 0. So x plus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So minus 6 and 4. Okay, minus 6, 4 is A. X plus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 6. X minus 4 is 0. So x is equal to plus 4. So minus 6 comma 4. Right. Next one. The fourth proportional to 4, 7, 12. Fourth proportional is asked. Okay, just writing this side. 4, 7, 12. 4, 7, 12. Fourth proportional, let it be x. Now, whenever 4 are in numbers and proportion, product of the means is equal to product of the extremes. Because first two and last two ratio is same actually. So 4 into x is equals to 7 into 12. Just cancel like this. 4 ones are 4, 3. X is equals to 21. Okay, 21 it is. So that is option C. Right? And when f of x is equal to x square plus 5x minus 1 divided by x plus 2. X plus 2, no, x is equal to minus 2, substitute in this. So minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 square is 4. And it is plus into minus 10 minus 1. 4 minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7. So option D. Just apply the formula. Here is the 13th one, 21st term of in the series. 21st term. So A21. That is A plus n minus 1 into D. A is the first term. 5 plus n minus 1. 21 minus 1. Into difference. Difference is any number minus previous term. Second term minus first term. 11 minus 5. So 6. So 5 plus 21 minus 1 is 20. 20 into 6. So 120 plus 5. 125. So option A. Right. Next here in this section more. The positive root of the quadratic equation. Positive value. So x square is equal to 4x. Then x is equals to 4. So only positive value they ask. No? So x is equal to 4 we can take. Because if you take x common, x is equal to 0 also. Only the positive value. So x is equal to 4. And if I is an identity matrix of order 2, A is another matrix of order 2, then I into A. Same order if you multiply, same will get. I into A is again will get A only. Any matrix, if you multiply the identity matrix, the same order, will get the same matrix. Right? X plus 1 is a factor of x cube minus 3x plus 1. Then find the value of m. X plus 1 is a factor. So x is equals to minus 1. Substitute x is equal to minus 1 in this given expression. So minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 plus m is equal to 0 because it is a factor. So minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 2 minus is plus 3 plus m is equal to 0. So 2 plus m is 0, then m is equals to minus 2. So m value is minus 2 in this. So that is option D. Okay, these are the 1 mark questions. Let us continue with section B now. Now in the section B, it's a 12 marks, 6 questions, carries 2 for each. 17th one. Sangeeta deposits 4,000 per month in recurring deposit account for 3 years. If the rate of interest is 9% per annum, then the interest earned at the time of maturity. Okay, let us take this interest formula. I is equals to P into n plus 1 by 2, again into 1 by 12 into R by 100. We'll apply this. P is the monthly depositing. So that is 4,000 per month. So 4000 into n is the number of months. So 3 years, no? So 36 months into 37 divided by 2, 1 by 12 into r by 100. Go for cancelling, you'll get answer easily. 100 times 40. Again 12 ones are 12, 3s are 36. 2 into 20. So finally 20 into 3 into 37. 20 into 3. 60 into 37. So we need to get the interest. So 20 into 3 into 37. Yes, everything is cancelled. Just you can multiply this. 6 into 37. 300 into, okay, R values we missed here. Okay, rate of interest is given 9 it is. Okay, right. So into 9. Yes. Everything you multiply, so we'll get 19,980. Yes, because R value is 9, right? So 19,980 is option D. Yes, just apply the formula and calculate. Next one, x plus 1 is a factor of. So x plus 1 is a factor means x is equals to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 is substitute in this, for which you'll get the 0, that is a factor. So minus 1 cube, minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1 plus of minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. It's a 0. So option A. So in case they said all of the above, we need to check other also again. Okay, so minus x cube. Only x cube is minus 1. So it's a plus 1 now. Plus 1 it is. And this is also plus 1 plus 1. So not equal to 0. That's it. No need of checking C because already it's not equal to 0. So option A. If x plus 1 is a factor, x is equal to minus 1 is substitute in that expression. If your answer is 0, that's a factor. Right? And next one. If GST rate is 28%, then for transaction of 26,000 in Noida, UP, the SGST, so state GST, just transaction amount is given in the state. So directly SGST, instead of 28%, take off of that. So that is the 14. So 14% of the transaction amount is 26,000. You just calculate this. So 14 by 100 into 26,000. Yes, you just cancel. So 0, 2. 14 into 260. Yeah, 14 into 260 is 3,640. 3,640 is option A. Yes. Next one. If minus 4 less than x minus 7, come x belongs to integers. So minus 4 less than x minus 7. Minus 7 you can take one side. Minus 7 if you take, okay, minus 4. Just take it one terms, all the terms one side. Minus 7 you take LHS. So plus 7. Plus 7 minus 4. So 3. 3 is less than x. That means x is greater than 3. 3 is less than x, x is greater than 3. And x belongs to integers. So option A. Just minus 7 take LHS. And next one. A ratio is equals to 5:8 if its antecedent is 55. Antecedent is 55, consequent. So first ratio value is 55, second ratio value you have to find out. So 5:8. So 5 by 8 is equals to 55 by x, consequent. Second part. Just to cancel this, 5 ones are 5, 11. Cross multiplication, x is equals to 88. X value is 88. Simplify this one. And next, if A is 5214, B is 11, then the matrix AB. Matrix multiplication. So first row, first column, only one column is there. This is 5214 and 11. Actually, if you check the order, this is a 2 by 2, 2 rows, 2 row columns, and this 2 rows, 1 column. So answer middle two are same. Matrix multiplication is possible. So result will come again 2 by 1. So first row, first column. So 5 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Again with the second row, first column. So 1 into 1 plus 4 into 1. Normal matrix multiplication, you just write answer. 5 plus 2. So 7, 1 plus 4. So 5. Okay, this you got 7, 5, option D. Right? Yeah. It's the section B. Now let us solve the section C problems. Now in section C, it's a 12 marks. So total we have 3 questions. Every question carries 4. We have the sub 4 questions. Let us see one by one. First is regarding the quadratic equation chapter. For the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. So this is a general form of quadratic equation. The discriminant d is given by. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. It's a straight problem, right? And if discriminant d is greater than 0, then roots are d is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. Okay, if it is the discriminant is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. If d is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Less than 0 is imaginary. Okay, if the discriminant is less than 0, then roots are imaginary. Right? If d is equal to 0, then each root is equals to. If discriminant is 0, then each root is equal to minus b by 2a. Each root. Because we know the formula, right? X is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. In this, if b square minus 4ac is 0, then root 0 is 0. This everything will be cancelled. Then remaining part is minus b by 2a. So each root is minus b by 2a. Remember that. Okay, these are the straight questions, this bit. Next one. Now in this question number 24, the sum of the first n terms of an AP is Sn is equal to 2n square plus n. Okay, if you want the first term a1, there is nothing but s1. Okay, 2 into 1 square plus 1. So 2 into 1 square is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. And that means a1, first term is 3. So first term a1 is equal to 3. So 3 we got. First term of the AP is 3. Next, common difference. If you want to find out the common difference, we must know second term. But we don't have general term formula, they gave Sn. So we'll find out S2. So sum of the first two terms, A1 and A2. That is 2 into 2 square plus 2. 2 square is 4, 4 to 8 plus 2 is 10. So 10 is nothing but A1 plus A2 because sum of the two terms. So A1 plus A2 together is 10. From this we can find out the A2. So 10 minus 3. So 7. So second term is 7, first term is 3. Right? Then the common difference is second term minus first term, that is a 4. Okay, common difference of the AP is 4. Option C. Right? Now, sum of the first 6 terms of the AP. Sum of the first 6 terms. So S6 is equals to 2 into 6 square plus 6. 6 square is 36 times 2, 72 plus 6, 78. So D. And nth term of the AP, nth term. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Formula. So a plus, a is the 3 plus n minus 1 into difference is the common difference. We got 4. Simplify this. 3 plus 4n minus 4. That is equals to 4n minus 1. 3 minus 4. So 4n minus 1 is option B. Okay, so this is the nth term of the AP. So we can apply this. Next, this similarity question. Okay, let us see this. In the figure, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. E is the point on CB and produced such that EF is perpendicular to AC. Diagram is given clearly. If AD is perpendicular to BC, first question is ABD similar to. So ABD. We know that angle C and B are same because AB is equals to AC. Whenever two sides are same, opposite angles are equal. So ABD, observance from this is the triangle. Yes, ABD. A is angle, B and D. D is 90 degrees, B is here. ECF. So E is this, C and F. Yes, if you observe this angle B and angle C are same, right? B and C are same, and D is 90 degrees, F also 90 degrees in the both the triangles. So two angles are matching. So directly we can take this. It's similar to ECF, not FCE, because D is 90 degrees. In this E is not 90. So same letters should match and same angles, corresponding angle should come same. Okay, ABD is similar to ECF, these two triangles. So this is the AA similarity. That's why in question number 1, which property? So AA similarity, right? And next one, AB into EF. Let us take this ABD and this ECF, because AB and EF are there. Let us take these two triangles separately, understand clearly. So ABD and one more is ECF. This is ABD and ECF. These two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar because angle B and D are same. ABD. So ABD, this part. And similarly this ECF. So ECF. In ABD angle B, in ECF angle C. So it's same. Okay, these two angles are same angle B and angle C. These two are same. And angle D and D, at the place of D is 90 degrees, at the place of F also 90. So this is also 90 degrees, is also 90. These two triangles are similar. When two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in same ratio, right? So this AB divided by EC in this is equals to AD, right side divided by this EF. Do cross multiplication, you check the option. If you do cross multiplication, this AB into EF is equals to, they mention. So AB into EF, that is equals to a product of these both, EC and AD. EC into AD. So EC into AD is option 1 here. EC into, so which two sides they are asking product, those two sides triangles only we need to consider, right? And ADC similar to ADC, observance. ADC similar to ABD or ADB. If you notice this, at the place of D is 90 degrees. In ADC, angle D is 90 degrees. Next in ABD, D must be 90. So D should be center letter. D must be center letter. This second, C also is matching. Now still you can check. In ADC, C is exactly equals to this angle B. So B is here, but not for B here. So option B. So triangle ADC similar to triangle ADB. A is the same and D angle is 90 degrees. In the C and B are same. So this also AA similarity. Okay, we need to check the which two particular angles are same. Those same places only should be matched to show the similarity. Okay, this is the question from the similarity, and moreover chapter wise you need to refer and prepare more. So to find out the chapter wise questions, I'm providing the links in description below. You just to go through the PDF files and learn.